Welcome. Today we are reviewing the Digital Construction Blueprint, which outlines the simple step-by-step process GoFetch Marketing takes to build your WordPress website. The foundation: securing your domain and hosting. Before any building begins, you must secure your domain name and website hosting. Your domain is essentially the key to your house, and as a small business owner, it is critical that you register and own this asset yourself to retain full control and protect your brand's credibility. You can easily purchase a domain for around $15 to $20 a year through providers like GoDaddy. You will also need WordPress-supported hosting. We can help you decide whether or not you will need a standard hosting package or something more powerful and custom based on the type of website you want. Once hosting is secured, simply add us as an admin to your accounts so we can start working, rather than sharing your personal login credentials. The project kickoff. Once you review and approve your website estimate, we will send an invoice for a 50% deposit. As soon as that is paid, we will create a shared Dropbox folder for you. This makes it incredibly simple and secure for us to exchange files without worrying about email attachment size limits. Gathering your digital assets. Gathering your content is the most significant time investment on your end, but it is essential for a fast and smooth build. You will use the Dropbox folder to upload your vector logo files, high-resolution photos, and written website copy. We will also need you to provide links to your social media profiles and YouTube videos, as well as the login credentials for any email marketing tools you use, such as MailChimp or Constant Contact, so we can embed your sign-up forms. The build timeline. The more organized your content is, the faster our team can build. We start by setting up a development framework or temporary splash page, which takes 1 to 2 days. The initial build of your desktop site takes 10 to 15 business days. You will then review the desktop draft and provide feedback, either on your own or via a Zoom call. Mobile optimization and launch. Once the desktop version is approved, we spend 1 to 3 days optimizing the site so it looks perfect on mobile phones and tablets. You will review this mobile version, and after we make any final requested edits, we will launch your site and it goes live in just 1 to 2 days. Following the launch, your final balance invoice will be sent and is due within 15 days. Every business is unique, but we are here to adapt to your needs and help you every step of the way.